chainsaw milling tip, and that tip is to clean the bark off of the side that your chain is entering the log, and that would be on this side of the log, and I'll lay the saw on there and demonstrate if things hold out. Get busy here. That's a real working axe. That's not just a trick axe. So, doing that, your chain is traveling in this direction. It's pulling through that wood, and it's grabbing the sand, the dirt, and whatever's in that bark. The back side, I have found, doesn't make so much a difference, but the side in which the cutters are entering, you want to clean that off. Bandsaw millers have asked me the same question: does it make a difference if you clean your logs? I believe so. Now, your blades will last longer. You'll be more efficient, have better cuts, have better cut times. Thank you for watching.